In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Otter.ai account. Whether you're concerned about privacy, not using the service anymore, or just want to simplify your online presence, I'll guide you through the entire process of account deletion step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll need to go to the Otter.ai website. Simply type in Otter.ai into your browser's address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you should see the login button. It's usually located prominently, ensuring you can easily access your account. Give that a click. Now you will be presented with multiple options for logging into your Otter.ai account. This is where you choose your preferred method of login. You can opt to sign in using a Google account, a Microsoft account, or even an Apple account, depending on how you originally set up your Otter account. Select the method you wish to use and follow the on-screen instructions to log in. Once you've successfully logged in, you should be directed to the Otter.ai homepage. The next thing you need to find is your profile icon. It is typically found at the top of the page. Clicking on your profile icon will produce a drop-down menu. From this menu, you need to select Account Settings. This section is where you can manage all aspects of your Otter.ai account. Inside Account Settings, look for the General tab. It's usually on the left side of the page or one of the first options available. Click on it. Now you should scroll down through the General Settings until you find the option labeled Delete Account. This is the button that will initiate the account deletion process. Clicking on Delete Account will prompt a series of steps asking you to confirm your decision. One important thing to note is that you will be required to log into your Google account as a final step before the deletion can be completed. This additional login step is a security measure to ensure that the account deletion request is genuinely coming from you. Once you've confirmed and logged in via your Google account, the process will wrap up, effectively deleting your Otter.ai account. Remember, this action is permanent and all your recordings and data associated with the account will be lost. So make sure you've exported any necessary data you might want to keep before finalizing the deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the steps to delete your Otter.ai account. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.